What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Craftsman compact blower. Now, it will get used on a weekend this weekend. I'm hoping this thing will get used on a weekend because I hope this thing you can see because it's a pretty hard to expect this thing you can see. It's only got big buttons you can see, but now it's only got 2 bars left in the battery right now you can see because you know I expected this thing, so you can tell. And this is a CMCB L0100 and I do like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this thing you can see. So I hope that this thing will not die this weekend. But I know it's probably going to die next weekend exactly because you can see, because this bullet's got used almost like quite a bit of times because you see how much they expected this means exactly, which is not a bad looking machine in my opinion. But you can see how much expected this blower is about it, which I know since probably you can tell, but I hope at some point this thing will get used on the weekend, or probably next weekend, I don't know, but I hope at some point this thing will get used on the weekend, you can see. But this is a pretty nice looking blower in my opinion. I do kind of like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this thing is, which it will get used on the weekend, you see, because well, because you see how much expected this thing is, you can tell, because you can tell this thing has been used almost like quite a bit of times, but you can see how much expected this blower is about it, which it will get used on the weekend or something you can see, because you see how much expected this blower is about it, you can tell. But otherwise this is a pretty nice looking blower in my hand. But you can see this battery is a 6-hour battery. This is a CMCB206, and you can see because well, I mean, what do you expect to have this blower is about it, because this thing on here is gonna get used almost like quite a bit no matter what, because you're seeing how much expected this thing is, which it will be used on the weekend. I hope this thing will get used on the weekend, you can see, because well, because you see how much expected this thing is exactly, which it's definitely what it is exactly on this machine exactly, but don't surprise this thing is gonna get used almost like quite a bit, because it will get used on the weekend, you can see. But other than that, it actually looks pretty cool looking piece of equipment in my opinion, but you can see how much expected this blower is about it, which is it will get used on the weekend or next weekend, I don't know, so I hope this thing will get used on the weekend.